Hello, everybody. This is John Bujelski, owner of All Tech Computers. And I started this GoFundMe campaign because I'm really trying to get my business off of the ground and I could really use all of your help. Um, Having a lot of difficulty getting a loan out by myself because my credit utilization is pretty maxed out, putting everything that I have into this business. It costs me a lot for my DBA, my EIN, all that stuff. I have another machine on the way that's, a couple $1,000s. Had to put a couple $1,000s into this machine, which is costly. Um, I don't really have any collateral to take a loan out against, so that's another thing that's against me, making it very difficult for me to get a loan out. So I'm trying to, maybe hopefully rely on the kindness of others to see if maybe some people can help me out, maybe throw in a little money from my community so to help me help others, because this money is going to go toward me, going toward my business, so I can serve others. And I assure you that's exactly what it's going to go toward, because my business, I work toward giving lower prices so I can help people with my information technology skills, that you know uh, to give quality work to people, to try to help people out, and so they don't have to, pay expensive prices from, you know, either, a major chain store like Best Buy with Geek Squad, or pay, um, a really expensive IT guy who's going to charge, $50 or $70 an hour. And I'm just not that person. I won't take a job if I don't know if I can't do it. I'm very honest and upfront with people. I will pick parts out with people. I don't charge for parts. I only charge for labor. Um, you know, and on top of that, right now in my field, there aren't very many entry level jobs in this part of the United States. We're not in Silicon Valley. This is Western New York. And me trying to find a job, even with a bachelor's degree, is difficult because a lot of jobs want experience in conjunction with a degree. And my business is so young that I can't even use that for a loan either. So basically, what I did is I went out and made my own job. And I'm just trying to expedite the process and get some marketing out there so I can get some more work coming in, so I'm able to survive. I mean, that's what this is truly about, I mean, any money that I've had, I put to work for me. When I got a stimulus check, I bought a DBA, and I bought a part for my computer to be able to bring in passive income. I mean, I'm doing everything that I can to try to bring in money from every angle that I can, but I'm I just can't push my business fast enough without some help. And I'm hoping maybe some people can open their hearts and maybe their wallets too, and you know think about helping somebody in their community that's a good honest person to expand their business to help others, because that's what I'm about, and that's what I'm going to do with or without donations. It's going to take me a lot longer if I don't get them, and it's going to be a much harder road for me, but I could really use the help from others. The quicker I get help, the quicker I can help others. But I obviously am not here to force anyone's hand, and I'm not here to, um, make anybody who doesn't have the money give it up either. But if somebody has a few extra dollars and they're able to, you know, possibly donate some my way, I would truly appreciate it. I do have a goal of $7,000, and that's to cover marketing, that's to cover extra equipment to bring in more passive income, and it's to also bring in more equipment that I need for my business in general. And to be honest with you, that's a modest amount because I could actually use significantly more than that, but that would really help me get off the ground. So, anybody out here who watches this video, I really appreciate if you took the time to do so. And if you could open your heart and your wallet, I'd appreciate it. And I love y'all for taking the time to watch this. And this is John Pajelski, owner of Alltech Computer Repair, Web Design, and Custom Computer Builds, saying have a great day.